All night long. Hey, hey. Yo, see the color of my gloves? Alright, let's go. Hi guys, it's your girl Jessie Q here and welcome back to another video on my channel. Now guys, I know, please don't crucify me. I know it has been so long since I've made a video and I want to apologize. I will get into it. I'll explain to you guys why I'm not here. If you are not interested in hearing my life story and you don't really care, you're just here to see what the hell I'm gonna do with my hair, then you can just skip to the timestamp down below. But if you care, hi! I have been so very busy. Life has been so incredibly busy and I started a new job that is extremely time consuming and I just don't have the time that I did before. For those of you who don't know, before I was doing my design full-time and I also taught part-time to some students, and then I went to teaching full-time, but that full-time was, you know, not every day. It was just day classes. So that was my life, and now I am in a full job. I work 9 to 5 and the time it just isn't there, and I still teach, by the way. Plus for the month of February I was a part of a Calypso tent, the Divas Calypso tent, and we had shows so often I just didn't have the time, long story short. So that is the reason why I have not been able to make some videos. I am so sorry. I am trying to do better. I'm trying to get a better work-life balance and I really want to do better for you guys. So this is my attempt to try. Alright, so let's get into the video now. Alright, so my hair is like this. The last thing you saw of me with my hair was me doing some braids. So I literally just took the braids out of my hair. So this is just my little braid out from the braids. My hair is very dirty, as you can see, very dirty, and it is time to wash it. But before I do that, I want to color it and wash it, clean it, give it a little steam, give it some treatment, and then we'll get into the meat of this video, which is, drum roll please, I am going to be trying Waveformers. So this is something, I think I literally just saw it as like an ad on Instagram or something. I didn't know much about it at all. I have no idea what it's about, and I saw it and I was like, ooh, that looks like something fun. I want to try that. So I ordered it from eBay and it arrived. So these are my Waveformers. As you can see, I haven't opened it yet because I wanted it to do it on screen, give you guys my first response to everything, and we go through this process together. So let's get into it. So I'm just gonna open my little package. Alright, and this is what it comes in. A lot of bubble wrap. A whole lot of bubble wrap. Alright, so I got myself 2 packs of Waveformers, right? And these are what they look like. It comes with the needle that you use to pull it through, and then 2 packs. These packs have 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These packs have 12 in them, so that means I have 24 in total. Now, as I mentioned before, I saw this on Instagram. I did not research it or anything before I bought it. It was an impulse purchase. It was literally, oh look this, buy it, you know. While I was losing out my hair just now, I was watching some videos on how to actually do it, you know, in preparation for this video, and I realized something off the bat. These are not enough. I have 24. A lot of people bought 3 packs, which is 36, and all of them recommended to buy 4 packs, which is 48. It was on different lengths as well as people with different thicknesses. My hair is thick. I have thick hair. It's not necessarily very long, but it is thick. So I know that this is not going to be enough, so I'm going to have to do this really big. So I'm just giving you all that heads up from right off the bat. I'm going to have to do this really big because I did not buy enough because I wasn't knowledgeable as to how much to buy. We are moving on to the meat and potatoes of this video. So my hair is freshly washed and colored, and I am just going to it's already detangled. I am just going to part it and separate it and just apply my stuff to it. I am going to use the LOC method to prepare it, and yeah, so I'm just going to put it into 4 sections and then we are going to get started. Alright guys, so I'm now about to get started. I'm just going to open it up. My hair is sectioned and ready to go. Alright, so as I said earlier, it comes in a pack with 12 waveformers plus this needle, and I believe you can put it together like so to make it even longer. So I have one long wave thing. So because I only have a few, I know that I only have 12 to go, so I'm going to try and put 4 in the back because the back section is smaller, and then do the rest of 8 in the front. So do the 8 in the front. So that's my plan. Of course my sections are going to be pretty big, but there's nothing I can do about that. So let's just see how well this goes. So this is what it looks like, and there is a rubber part at this end that you can open like that. Alright, so I have the first section in the back and I am ready to begin. So I'm just going to use my detangling brush, detangle that really nicely. Alright, and I'm not too sure what to do here guys. I'm just going by what I saw on tutorials that I watched. So I'm going to apply some gel to it, especially to the ends, because as I said, I want them to stay. Alright, so now that my gel is applied, just going to detangle it a bit more. Alright, you want to put the hook through the former like that. Right, now we do this part. So as I said, you don't want to twist it too much. I'm just choosing to twist mine once. You want to hook it, and when it's hooked, then you want to lock it in place here by just pushing it up, and then you want to pull it through like that. All right. Okay, so that was pretty easy. So that is it generally. Place the former onto the needle, twist your hair at least once just so the hair can go through the needle, and then push up the former straight up to your roots and then pull it all through. Right, so this is what my curl former looks like. Everything seems to be, you know, lying down pretty nicely. So I'm going to go on and do the rest of my head. I am going to use some water where necessary because, as I said, my hair dries really quickly. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so I just finished the first half of my hair, so I'm just giving you all a look. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to do the other half off camera because it's really hot under my lights and I need some breeze. my hair is already pretty dry, so I'll wet it back and I'll just do the other half, and then I will show you what it looks like after, and then I'm gonna let it dry.
6 hours later.
Alright, so I finally finished, and this is what my entire head looks like. I would not lie, especially coming to the front here, having those big sections trying to get it through the thing was pain. It was so annoying and so hard and literally painful as well. So these two, especially in the front, I don't know. Anyway, so it is currently 5:15, and most likely I'm going to have to leave my house at like 6:30 or something like that, or maybe later, I don't know. But I don't have that much time, and I need to get this properly dried. I need it to set because I actually have to go out later, and I want my hair to look proper. I spent all this time doing it, so I want it to look good. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. It's pretty cool. I made the 24 work, so let's see how good this goes. I do not have a bonnet dryer or anything, so I am going to sit in front of a fan and also use my blow dryer on some low heat and try to dry this out. My roots are already dry, so hopefully it doesn't take too long, and hopefully I can get a good curl from it. Guys, seriously, wish me luck, because I don't know. So I will check in with you guys later when I take this down and we see the final product.
1 eternity later.
Alright guys, so it has been about an hour and a half to 2 hours. It is currently, what time is it? It is currently 7:12, and it's time for me to get going. So as you've seen, I've beat my face and I want to take it out. Now, I know you guys are seeing these too. When I was putting on my top, it pulled out by mistake. I was actually really worried about how it was going to come out and if it was able to dry in time and set properly, and it did. Now I know it's looking a bit frizzier now, and I think that's to be expected just because it wasn't able to sit for as long, but the initial set when it initially came out was really nice. So I'm going to take out the rest now, and now I'm not as worried. To take it out, I am literally just going to pull it down. Alright. Okay. So I don't know if the back, oh, okay, never mind. And y'all were worried. For what? Look at my hair. Oh, look pretty. Oh, you can't see, and he's watching me like a crazy person. So this is what it looks like. Don't mind the one that's already frizzy. I love it. I love it. And this was it just for like 2 hours. Imagine if I had left it for a good portion of the day to set. This would have been so pretty. Well, so much pretty, I should say. So I'm just gonna tease it out a little bit. I don't usually do a center part, but I just wanted to try it. I thought it would have looked kind of cool, you know, fluffed out from a center part. So I'm just expanding it a bit. Like so. Giving it some volume. So as I said, I was not able to leave this for too long, so I'm not judging it, you know, the amount of definition I was able to get, just because I know I didn't leave it for long enough. But I'm just happy it was able to dry. I got some wave, and I'm okay with how this looks. I feel pretty. So yeah, so I am just going to do my edges, and yeah, I'll just show you guys my final look.